This video shows a typical use case for analyzing forecast scenarios and examining the underlying assumptions. Users get to this data platform through a link on the login page at blackbirdbi.com. For these answers, we'll click on this Power BI online data report called U.S. Production Forecasting. We're on the summary page and we're looking at Midland SubBasin horizontal wells. This filter box has historic and 10 forecast scenarios. On this page, we're looking at an average of the forecasts selected. These visuals are showing that if there are 117 rigs drilling in Midland, and if 144 new wells start up each month, and if those new wells have initial production rates that average 874 barrels per day, and if future decline rates mirror historical declines, then oil production will increase to 1.9 million barrels a day by the end of 2026. This forecast looks plausible, but what if rig count or IP rates are bullish or bearish? Let's go to this forecast summary page and look at all the scenarios. You can make any of these visuals really big by clicking on More Options and selecting Show as a Table. Need an oil forecast for Midland Basin? Here are 10 of them. You can export data from this or any other visual to Excel by clicking More Options, then Export Data. Let's go back to the report. Looking at this rig count graph, if you don't believe there will be 195 rigs drilling and adding 239 new wells per month, then exclude these three scenarios that start with bull well starts. And let's exclude 0 rigs for now too. If you want to hold recent activity levels flat, then exclude these bear scenarios also. Now we have 3 forecasts of gas and oil production for Midland Basin. Let's arrow down on this table to county and click on the right column header to sort by 2025 oil production. This is an average of our 3 forecasts below, and we can see that Midland County ranks number 1 and is forecasted to produce 543,000 barrels per day in 2025. I can click on Midland County to see historic and forecast data together. Including conventional production from vertical wells is necessary many times, but it's only 13,000 barrels a day, so it's not important for Midland County. These forecasts are unconstrained what-if scenarios that assume sufficient well inventory and capacity to market for the next 5 years. Need to analyze counties individually? Click on each one in turn for fast answers. Blackbird makes it easy to analyze and understand the assumptions in our 10 forecast scenarios. Feel free to take screenshots to paste into reports or emails to save you valuable time. Contact Blackbird today for a demo or a free trial.